can see the color of your soul.
We have a 2016 Cat 262D skid steer. We're gonna give a quick little walk around video, startup, and an operations video here. All right, it's got 2,764.4 hours. Starts right up, not too bad. Again, 2,765.4 hours. Let's see, lights. It is an enclosed ROPS unit. The windshield was just broken out of it literally today, but everything seems to be working here. I'd say the tire tread is probably about 20 or 30%. I mean, if you're counting the treads here, now here they're pretty bad, about 10%. Lights and everything seem to work just fine. This rear light is out. I'll go ahead and show you the blow by on this unit, if any. You sure know it's going to be hard to open. Well, some of these are just so hard you can't open them. Oil cap. Did you get it? Too hard, huh? Again, it is an enclosed ROPS unit. The front glass broke. It comes with a Bobcat bucket. This is not a cat bucket. Interior's not too bad. The seat's not torn up. Again, it's an enclosed cab with AC and heat. Okay.
That's got no blow by. It's not full.
Good. Nice and clean, no blow by. Original hours. Okay. Cap is still on it. Go ahead and shut that for me. Go ahead and shut that back gate for me. Give you a quick little operations video here.
Man, the air conditioning that oven works nice and cold. You had it on glass. I had goosebumps when I got out of that thing.